Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you can swap two variables in Python. This is a very a basic problem which is being solved in every programming language. Let's see how it is done in the traditional programming. Then we'll come to the situation where we'll solve it in a more Pythonic way, which is way faster than the normal programming languages. So let's define two variables, x and y. Let's print x comma y. Ideally, in a traditional approach, how will you solve it? You'll use an intermediate variable which will be used to hold the values of either x and y. Then you'll use that variable to replace just to swap the values. Okay, let's call a temp variable which will hold the value of x. Okay, okay. Then assign the value of y to x. Okay, and then give the value of temp to y. Okay. Now print again x comma y. Done that. Here you can see the values are swapped. So this is the traditional approach of doing it. Let's see, but what is the problem with this traditional approach? So the problem with traditional approach is you have to use another variable which has its own memory block. It is consuming its own memory. So let's try to do that using a mathematical problem. Okay. Similarly, we'll print x comma y. Now, while solving it in a mathematical problem, what we will do, we will assign x equals to x plus y, and y be equals to and x will be equal to x minus y. Okay, now y is causing a problem. So let's print x comma y now and run it. You can see the numbers are again swapped. Okay, so uh, here we have swapped the value, but we are not using any other variable, so we have saved the memory space. But what is the problem with that? The problem with this is that the value of x and y, let's take if they are 5 comma 6. Okay, so the value of x will require 3 bits. The value of y will require 3 bits. But when we will do x plus y, it will need 4 bits. So even here, because x plus y will be 11 and 11 needs 4 bits to represent. Okay, so here also we are consuming an additional bit. So let's use the XOR operator in Python. Let's see how you can do that using the XOR operator. Using XOR operator. So while using the XOR operator, you have to replace these mathematical operations to XOR operations, and it will work. Okay, let me demonstrate how. Y, XOR Y, XOR Y. Let's run that. Here you can see the numbers are swapped. So XOR is an operator which it doesn't add up the bits. It doesn't add up the value, but it does an XOR operation. So here, even though if we do X x or y, the value will still be of 3 bits. Okay, it won't increase the bits. So we have saved the bits. Okay, but the problem is this: we need 3 lines here, and Python is an interpreter based language, so Python interpreter needs to understand these 3 lines, which takes time in processing. Okay, so let's do it in a traditional Pythonic way. How to do that? Simple as that, just one liner. So how does it work? So you must be aware of the fact that the first, the right hand side will be executed. So when the right hand side statements are executed, these are the intermediate steps. Comma y is equal to 6 comma 5, and then the assignment will work. Straight away the next step will be the assignment, because equal to is present. Okay, and this is the Pythonic way of swapping. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe this channel for more tricks on Python.